Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain family mediation in Iowa. So first, let's talk about what family mediation is. Family mediation is a tool that parties to a divorce case or a child custody case can use in order to resolve disputes that they're not able to settle out of court just through their attorneys. It's a way to avoid costly litigation and time-consuming litigation through a trial. So if the parties aren't able to resolve disputes on their own or through mediation, then a trial is necessary and the court will resolve the dispute. So mediation is a way to resolve some of the harder disputes that the parties aren't able to settle on their own. And the way it works is that the parties and their attorneys will meet with a neutral third-party mediator, someone who's trained, usually a lawyer or an ex-judge that is trained to settle disputes, and their job is to help bring the parties together. And they'll meet with each party and their attorney separately and try to work with them to come together on these tough issues. So you can use family mediation to resolve all of the issues surrounding a divorce, like child custody, child support, spousal maintenance, or division of assets and liabilities. Now, often the parties will try to resolve these on their own first, and they'll just bring the sticky wickets, the hard issues to resolve, to the mediator in order to determine if they can solve these without the need for a trial. Let's talk about when mediation is required. Mediation isn't always required by the court. It can be ordered by the court, and courts are more likely to order it and require it in child custody cases. Courts are less likely to order family mediation if there's been a history of intimidation or domestic violence, or if one of the parties is incarcerated or out of state. Mediation can last 1 to 2 hours, or it can last for much longer than that, depending on whether the parties are making progress in their settlement negotiations. If necessary, you can have multiple mediation settlements. The benefits of mediation, the main one, is that it will avoid costly litigation. Divorces can get really, really expensive if parties are fighting in court over a lot of different issues. So even if you are able to settle some issues through mediation, but not all, it reduces the cost and the time and the stress of litigating those issues in court and having them decided by the judge. Agreements between the parties are able to be more fit and tailored to their specific lives and needs than a court order to resolve those disputes. So you can get a lot more granular and actually make it something that works for your lives a lot better than you can if you have a hearing and the court decides things. It's less stressful to the family than a trial, and if you can come to an agreement, it usually it allows for better relations after the fact. So if there's children involved, you'll tend to work together better if it's something you've agreed to, as opposed to something that a court ordered after tense litigation. Finally, parents are more likely to honor custody arrangements that are reached by agreement and less likely to relitigate them than they are custody arrangements that are reached by a court order after a trial. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.